How to upload documents to OneMain Financial. Follow the instructions. Go to the official OneMain Financial website. Click on the link for uploading documents or go to upload.onemainfinancial.com/documents. Enter your application reference number. Enter the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Click the button to retrieve your loan application. Review the list of required documents shown on the screen. Click the Upload button next to the document you want to submit. Select the correct file from your device. Wait for the file to upload completely. Repeat the process for any additional documents. Check that all required documents show as uploaded. Click Submit to complete the document upload process. Thank you for watching.